BrainBobble presents Embracing Vulnerability, 7 Keys to Unlocking Your Power. Have you ever felt like something is holding you back from achieving your goals, but you can't put a finger on it? Many of us struggle to take action and make progress due to an underlying sense of vulnerability. Embracing vulnerability can be the key to unlocking your power and unleashing your potential. In this video, we'll explore 7 ways in which you can begin to embrace vulnerability and unlock your true power. 1. Open mindset. Having a mindset that is open to learning and growth can be a crucial factor in embracing your vulnerability. With an open mindset, you can view challenging situations as opportunities for self-improvement rather than sources of anxiety or fear. You can approach life with a sense of curiosity and optimism, instead of avoiding things that may feel uncertain or unfamiliar. This attitude is key to discovering your true power, as it allows you to remain flexible and open to learning different perspectives. This approach to life can make you feel empowered, as it helps you recognize your strengths and weaknesses and find ways to grow from them. It can open the door for self-realization and help you discover your purpose in life. As you become more confident in embracing vulnerability, you will be able to take on any obstacle that comes your way with courage, resilience, and an open heart. 2. Self-awareness. Becoming conscious of yourself gives you a deeper understanding of who you are and what you believe in. Reflecting on your thoughts and feelings can help identify any distorted views that prevent moving forward and trusting your intuition. Journaling is an effective way to uncover underlying issues, while discussion with someone you trust can provide another perspective and open up new possibilities. This work builds confidence, allowing for greater openness and courage to be vulnerable. Having this level of self-awareness also allows you to identify your values, as well as consider how decisions may affect you. Appreciating yourself leads to discovering true power. Opening up enables personal growth and growth in relationships with other people. 3. Acceptance of fear and uncertainty. Acknowledging fear and uncertainty in your life can be difficult, but it is a necessary step in finding your power. It can help you come to terms with whatever circumstances arise and enable you to better manage situations that may otherwise seem insurmountable. By accepting fear and uncertainty as part of life, you open yourself up to the possibilities that come with facing them head-on. Understanding how they manifest in your life will enable you to tackle them in a more meaningful way. This can make it simpler for you to take on challenges and persist even when issues seem intimidating or uncomfortable. Embracing your vulnerability involves owning up to any fears or uncertainties and trusting yourself enough to take those risks. Doing so helps foster resilience, creativity, and confidence, qualities that are essential for unlocking our true potential. 4. Self-compassion. Going the extra step to express kindness towards yourself by treating yourself with the same care and consideration you would show a loved one helps you break through any barriers that may be holding you back. It can help you to be brave enough to confront any anxiety or doubts that could prevent you from unlocking your full potential. Self-compassion is about understanding your weaknesses and recognizing your strengths, so that you can accept yourself as you are but still work towards becoming a better version of yourself. When you practice self-compassion and embrace your vulnerability, it gives you access to all your own personal power, allowing you to confidently pursue whatever goals and ambitions are meaningful to you. 5. Taking risks. Embracing the opportunity of making mistakes and exploring new possibilities can give you access to courage, enabling you to turn your vulnerability into a powerful source of strength. Pushing past comfort zones and trying something different can open up previously undiscovered avenues for personal growth. You can feel empowered by taking calculated risks, knowing that the potential rewards far outweigh any possible costs or losses, allowing you to reach your full potential. By embracing your vulnerability, you are rewarded with self-confidence and an inner sense of power that encourages risk-taking. When you take a leap of faith, it can open up your true capabilities, unlocking all your own personal power. 6. Practice radical honesty. Radical honesty is a practice of expressing yourself with honesty and openness while being mindful of the impact your words can have on others. It involves taking ownership of your thoughts, feelings, and beliefs and communicating them in a way that is direct but respectful. Practicing radical honesty allows you to be vulnerable with yourself and others, creating an environment where trust can grow. By being honest, you not only open up your vulnerabilities, but also harness all the potential power within you. Radical honesty helps to build self-awareness and strengthen connections with those around you by creating deeper understanding between people. It also improves communication, breaks down barriers, and encourages personal growth through honest conversations which bring forth clarity, emotional understanding, and healing. 7. Letting go and learning to forgive. When you learn to forgive and let go, you rediscover the power within yourself. You become more vulnerable as a result of relinquishing grudges and hurtful memories. When you are willing to freely accept yourself in your entirety, this allows you to embrace your mistakes and shortcomings rather than hiding from them out of fear or shame. Your personal power is unlocked as an outcome of self-forgiveness, and in this way, through the act of forgiving yourself, you can make room for more positive emotions and feelings such as joy, compassion, and gratitude. By embracing vulnerability, you can gain access to your own personal power and create meaningful change in your life. This journey of self-discovery requires commitment, courage, and resilience. By following these 7 keys, you can unlock your potential and start to experience a life of joy and fulfillment. Don't hesitate to take the first step towards discovering the freedom that awaits you. It will be worth it in the end. And for more insightful tips and mind-expanding food for thought, subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on any future videos. Thanks for watching.